Hi there, welcome to TechTonic. In this one, what I'm going to do is show you how to create a presentation, a PowerPoint file, a PPTX file, an actual file in ChatGPT. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got ChatGPT opened up here and I'm going to go straight into the prompt, because what I want it to do is create a PowerPoint file based on my prompt. So I've copied and pasted the prompt in here. So create a PowerPoint presentation and create a PPTX file on the following subject: mental health awareness and tips to improve mental health, support and helplines, and all that information needs to be UK based. And I've also put here create 10 slides, but I also want it to create notes, accompanying notes. Also create detailed notes for each slide with specific examples against each bullet point on that slide. So that's all I want it to do. Yeah, so it's going to create a presentation, create a PPTX file which I can download and customize on mental health awareness with tips and support and that signposting of help. It's going to create 10 slides. It's going to create the detailed notes, which I can't spell. There you go, with specific examples against each bullet point on the slide. So hopefully it should create something. So it's going away, it's saying it's going to create the file and it's analyzing this prompt, and I'm going to fast forward this video until it's done this. There you go, it's come back saying it's created the presentation. Here it is, let me download it. It's downloading now. Let me open it up. It's going to open it up in Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's just not going to have any slide design to it. So there you go, very simple PowerPoint presentation there. But if we have a look in the notes bit, it's created some notes against each bullet point as well, exactly what I wanted. So what I need to do is just very quickly is format it, remove these extra bullets against each slide, but you can see how much time I've saved. I'm not having to think about what I've written, but what you do need to do with AI is always sense check what it's put to see if the information is actually correct. So you do that for every single slide, take those extra bullets out, but then the other thing you can do is just change the design. One thing I am going to do is show you using the AI designer tool how to choose your own design. So under the home tab here, go to the right side, you'll see the designer option. Click on that, it will open up a new pane here, and it's generating design ideas for you. So you can really go through and choose specific design ideas. You can do it for the first slide actually. Let's choose that one for that one. Go to each slide, choosing whatever design you want to choose there. So that's just a very quick way showing you how to use AI to really maximize your time, because your time is is so important, isn't it? And what we're doing here is creating a really cool professional looking website, and I've just done this very quickly with the use of AI. There you go, done. So very similar color schemes for each design slide, but one thing is missing is a title slide, which I can add here, and then go to home, go to designer, let's choose a nice title slide which I can use. There you go, done. Mental health awareness. Very quickly, all my PowerPoint presentation has been completed. That was a quick and easy video with the accompanying slide notes there as well. Very quick and easy, done with under 5 minutes. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.